5 typical safety mistakes during car repairs. Let's talk about 5 classic safety mistakes all car repairers have seen. 1. Neglecting personal protective equipment. First classic mistake, pretending PPE is optional. Hard hats, goggles, and gloves are often skipped in favor of quick and easy work. This approach creates a false sense of security and underestimates real risks. A missing helmet can lead to a head injury. No glasses, metal shavings, or brake dust can end up in your eyes. Bare hands mean cuts, burns, and chemical irritation. PPE isn't overkill, it's what keeps you in one piece. Install the Autodoc app, save money when buying spare parts. 2. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Next mistake, starting the engine in a closed garage. Looks harmless until you realize carbon monoxide is invisible and odorless. It causes dizziness, fainting, and can be fatal long before you notice anything's wrong. Always run the engine with proper ventilation, doors open, airflow on. Don't miss out, we're giving away a £50 voucher to spend in our shop. All you need to do to participate is like, subscribe, and leave a comment below this video. If you don't know what to write, just write the model of the car you currently drive. We will select the winner at random and you will know the results by the 19th of February 2026. The details are in the video description. 3. Working under a car supported only by a jack. Another big one, sliding under a car lifted only by a jack. Jacks are for lifting, not securing, which means they can slip or fail without warning. If that car drops, you won't have time to react. Always use axle stands, never trust the jack alone. 4. Fires from oil-soaked rags. A random oily rag on the bench may look innocent, but oil-soaked fabric can heat up and self-ignite. Yes, spontaneous combustion is real, and garages are full of fuel for it. A garage is also a high-risk area, as open flames and sparks are often present and can ignite these rags. Store oily rags in a metal container with a lid or dispose of them properly. 5. Noise exposure. Finally, loud tools and zero hearing protection. Grinders, impact guns, compressors, they all scream louder than your neighbor's lawnmower. Constant noise causes permanent hearing damage and tinnitus. Ear defenders or plugs solve the problem instantly, and there's no reason not to use them. These mistakes happen every day and the cost can be huge. Working smart is the start of working safely. If this video helped you out, feel free to subscribe. And let us know in the comments which safety rules you've broken. We've all got stories.